Hello, it's Ahmed Fathi from Egypt. I was hoping to put a proposal for JMonkey engine for Google Summer Code. One of the ideas there was making a cinematic editor for JMonkey engine. So I thought to type some code to prove I can work with Java and JMonkey engine to some extent. So I made a very basic and primitive timeline program um, for uh, for that purpose. First, I've made cinematic files look like this. They're just text files. I read some posts on the forum that there will be a particular type for cinematics files. I don't know whether this was achieved or not, but anyway, I just made it some text file. Um, the two lines we use here will just be the duration, timeline in seconds, and the model to change models. And the program looks like this if you just run the program. This our timeline. Each rectangle, they are J-panels. Each J-panel of these represents some period of time, which can be set, of course. We just drag the file onto the J-panel like this. C1, which we showed here, duration is 2 seconds, so it took 2 rectangles. C2, for example, is 5 seconds, so it has to take 5 panels, and so on. These two lines are in parallel, so if an event is put, a cinematic is put here and another one is put here, they will run in parallel in the game. Also, we can put it here. Which will change cartridge to show overlapping, and again to change card to show overlapping, and so on. Now for simplicity, I have unified the events so that the duration time represents the time in which the cinematic will end its movement. They are all motion events that follow some waypoints. Now if you put C1 here and then C2 here, this means that C1 will start just after we start the application and will last for 2 seconds, and then after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds the other model will move, and after that the third model will move. So when we enter, this is the first one, 2 seconds and stop. Then the second one moved, it will move for 5 seconds and then stop. And then the third one, which will move for 10 seconds and then stop. So that's it. We can put in number we want, and for example these all will end in whatever. And that's it. Of course we can then just fill this with whatever we want to be more general, but it's just a simple program just to show seriousness about participation, and I'll be very happy to listen to all your remarks, and